the microphone. Okay, let's go. We're right by the New Brunswick train station. Barnes and Noble's right here. This Barnes and Noble's been here a long time. It's popular Barnes and Noble. And a lot of parties going on. Cinco de Mayo today, so yeah, gonna see a lot of parties, probably, or some parties. Let's take a stroll over here to Easton Avenue. Whew. Wow. Yeah, the wind is crazy. I don't have the wind guards on the microphones. I kind of like the wind noise a little bit. It makes it more real, you know what I mean? Sometimes, but it is ridiculously windy. Wow. Wow, the wind is insane. I feel like the phone is gonna fly off the gimbal. Wow. This wind is like out of control. Whoa. Woo, wow, you see the cone? Whoa. I mean, wow. Okay, we're gonna turn this way because the wind is out of control, man. Whoa, I think it's a good idea to, wow. This is a record. This is a record. Wow. I've never seen wind like this. Like I want to go inside kind of wind. Wow, you're catching it on camera. This is insane. Wow, everyone, you're catching this on the live stream and everything, and on the camera. Wow. Okay. Woo. I'm sure people have experienced wind like that before in their place, but this is crazy. This is a scale of 1 to 10, like 10 being like the safest worst, and this is like, I'd say a 9 maybe. Safest meaning like it's not like crazy catastrophic, but the wind is, wow, every time I walk I feel like the iPhone is gonna go flying. If the phone goes flying, that's why. Wow, this is crazy. This wind is insane. Wow, whoa. I'm not even kidding, my iPhone is going like an airplane. Wow, this is the windiest ever. Oh my goodness, whoa. Alright, so we're gonna go down this way anyway. It is so windy. Wow, look at the iPhone, it's like turning. I got the gimbal sideways. Look, wow. This is out of control wind. Wow, so let's go down this way. Oh my goodness, yeah, we can't get too far because of the wind. Wow. So this is a windy vlog today. This might be a record. I've been in some wind, but this is some serious, unbelievable. This might be on the news. It probably is on the news how windy it is today. I would imagine so, because wow, we have some insane wind right now. The wind is out of control. So let's cruise around this way, across the street. All right, let's go over here. This is Rutgers University. Whoa. Okay, let's go up this way. Okay, we're gonna cruise over this way. My goodness. So you got the Baldwin Gate right here.
You too, bro.
My hair is a mess and I don't give a fuck.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sorry, my bad.
I will never forget.
Okay, we got music up that way, so I'm not going to go up that way right now. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
No problem.